Hi, my name is Mick Arnold. I'm the president of Arnold Packaging. I want to give you a little bit of history of Arnold Packaging. We were started in 1933 as a manufacturer of adhesives and inks. Along the way, we built out a distribution business representing the finest manufacturers in the industry, companies like 3M, Sealed Air, and Signode. In the early 50s, we built a container manufacturing plant where we manufacture wood and corrugated shipping containers. Our wooden containers are highly engineered, used in the aerospace, military, and electronics industry. And our corrugated shipping containers are used in smaller run applications for the military industry and other high-performing applications. And about 8 years ago, we started an automation business where we have a team of engineers that designs what we call productivity solutions. They assess a customer's operation and identify ways to make them more productive. That is, get more product out the door with less manpower.